Most common causes of roof leaks. Roofs are one of the essential parts of a home. Unfortunately, most homeowners only realize they have problems on the roofs once roof leaks occur and water starts to come into their home. This video looks at some of the most common causes of roof leaks. Roofing membrane or underlayment problems. Underlayment is the general term for a water-resistant membrane installed under your roof covering material. Shingles, tiles, metal, or slate. If your roof covering materials are the first barrier against bad weather, the underlayment is the second barrier. Underlayment often fails due to high temperature, moisture seeping through your roofing material, or improper installation. You'll know your underlayment is damaged if you see water stains or dark spots on your ceiling. Broken or missing shingles, tiles, and slates. Since they're an exterior layer on your roof, broken or missing shingles, tiles, and slates are easier to identify. But then, you'll have to look up and check for different colored patches on your roof. You might also find pieces of tiles, shingles, or slates on the ground around your house, especially after a storm. Call Affordable Roofing Systems to evaluate your roof and solve any issues. Roof leaks can happen to anyone's home. If you have problems with roof leaks or want to prevent them from happening, call us today at 813-542-8462 or visit www.affordableroofingflorida.com to get a free estimate. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.